Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a QR code for your website on Shopify. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on this page right over here, and this is shopify.com/tools. So you can just access this page and you'll have a wide variety of tools, which you can choose from, one of which is the QR code generator. Now, what you want to do is click here to create a QR code, and it'll be brought to this screen. First, what you need to do is make sure website URL is selected, and then in here in website URL, you want to copy and paste the URL or the domain of your website, and then that'll generate a preview to the right. Now I am using google.com just as an example, and it's not previewing for some reason, but if I chose an email, which I would send it to, if I clicked send QR code, if it was working perfectly, it would send the QR code as an image to my email. However, there is an application error. I'm not sure if it's client side or if it's server side, and I can't seem to find a fix for it. However, you can use that QR code generator, or you can use any single generator that is on the internet right now. There are a lot of different ones which are very similar between one another, so you can just use whichever one fits you best. But this is the Shopify one, which you can use very easily. But let me try just doing this. Going to www.shopify.com. Maybe that would work as an example email or as an example URL. And if I click website URL, it should have generated a preview, but as you can see, something is not working right. But yeah, you get what I'm trying to say, I hope. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.